Taxi, English conversation. Is this taxi available? Airport. I'd like to go to the airport. Could you open the trunk for me? Could you help me put my bag in the trunk? I'm in a hurry. Could you drive faster? I'll get off up ahead. Can I get off here? Please turn on the meter. Please go to this address. Do you know this place? How long will it take? Is there heavy traffic? Please take the fastest route. Please stop here. How much is the fare? Please give me change. GPS, please check the GPS. I think we're going the wrong way. Please stop here for a moment. Please wait here. I'll be back. Can you pick me up tomorrow? Please take my phone number. I'll get off at this place. That's fine. Thank you. I'll pay here.